It's Dr. Franklin, and I'm here on Tuesday morning, November 25, 2025, baby, conducting my research and my works. It's a great subsidy, you guys. The college kids, they love me. All over the United States, from coast to coast. From ghost to ghost, it's Shark LeBeau here on AM 1000 Catholic Radio, where we are exposing ghosts. Whoa, oh shit. Fat Ghost and others. Wow, you never see Fat Ghost with the light off in that green chair. Holy shit. I never see Fat Ghost like that. Wow. There's major activity, you guys.